Hello there, how you doing? Been sent this little head torch from LETOUR. You can tell it says LETOUR because they stuck a label over it. Yeah. Anyway, comes in this nice little pouch. I don't know why it's got all these stickers on it. I don't know whether that's just because it's a review one that they've sent to me. But anyway, they've asked me to have a look at it and to show you. Gotta admit, the case is kind of nice. There is no instructions, or is it there are no instructions? Speak proper English, Carl. There is a charging cable. It is a micro USB and it does have a little battery inside. I'll put the details on the screen for how long that's supposed to last. I'll do some night tests with this a bit later on just to show you what it's like. So this is it. There's a little silicone gasket at the bottom there for to cover the charging thing. I'll put on the screen what the waterproof rating is, etc. If you pop that little clip there, you can actually see the battery inside. Look, there it is. 700 milliamp hours it says on there. That's upside down to you, but I can read it. And it's got two buttons on, and this is where some instructions would have come in handy, because I had to find this out myself. So you've got an on-off button and one that looks like a Wi-Fi button there. So I'll show you what they both do. So the on-off button, if you turn it on, the light comes on full beam. And it's quite bright actually. As I say, I'll show some nighttime footage after this. Press it again, it goes on to like a medium footage. That's showing us flashing on the screen, but it's not flashing in real life. It's just because of the megahertz difference in the way the camera's picking this up. Now it's flashing, so it's got a strobe effect there. Press it again and it goes on to a red light, which is quite good if you wanted to use this as a cycle light. It could be quite handy to wear on the back of your head. It's got a flashing red light there, which is also quite cool. There you go, you can see that. And press it again and it turns off. Now what this little blue button's for, the one that's got like the Wi-Fi signal logo on, when you press that, the light comes on, and then when you put your hand over the sensor, it kind of goes on and off. How cool is that? So when you've got it on your head, you don't need to touch it to turn it on or off. You get the idea. Doesn't have a memory though, that's a bit of a shame. Nevertheless, I do like that feature when you just turn it on and then you can run your hand over the top of it. Yeah, nice little touch that. Press that again and it turns that off. Okay, as I say, let's see what it's like at night. Right, so it's night time, and as you can see, I'm about a car's length away from that fence over there. All right, so if I turn this on, right, there we go, that's at full strength. That's at about 300 lumens, so very clear to see the back of that fence there and the back of my flat. If I put it onto the low setting, still see the back of my flat quite well. That's not bad. And it does have quite a narrow focus. It's not a broad beam, isn't this? Click the next setting. That's the strobe. Then we've got the red ones, which you won't really see. One thing I did forget to mention when I was looking at this in the daylight is I did forget to say that it actually angles down to about 30 to 60 degrees. So if that's on your head, you can angle this directly in front of you. Quite like that. As I say, nice little head torch that. Thank you so much for LETOUR for sending me it. I'm really quite impressed with that. Right, so I'm wearing the head torch right now. I've got it on low setting, but I'm going to turn the camera around, point it at the ground so that you can see what's going on. So that's on high, and that's about 10 foot in front of me. If I put it on medium, again, that's actually not bad. It gives, you can't see this, but even on medium, that's about 30-40 foot in front of me, and it's showing up the bushes and grass. Let me just flick through back to high again. It's not a broad beam, it's quite a focused beam is this. You can probably see that now as more focused. Yeah, there. That looks a bit more focused, doesn't it? I'm going to flip the camera around and go through the settings so you can see it on the red setting and so on. So that's the high setting, that's the medium, that's the strobe. There it is on red, look, that's not bad, is it? And if I put it on the flashing red, that's what that looks like. That's the touch setting. So you can't see me now. Look at that. You can just see my hand go across my face and turn the torch on and off. Not bad, eh? Right, I'll just hold my hand there. What do you reckon? Oh, I think that's pretty good. All right, let me know in the comments what you think. I'll put some links in the description. There is a discount code for this. I'll put that on the screen now. If you were interested in one, they're not an expensive price. They're only about, they're less than 20 quid. So there is a discount off this as well if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, if you want one of these, I'm quite impressed with this. Yeah, look at that. Right, so let's go back to the car. Look at that, there's my car. Look, you just see my number plate. I say car, my van. Look at all those things on the back. Shining all those up. There's oldest friend. I don't want to shine it totally in his face. There's my fire pit. Go and wave, oldest friend.
Wrist crack then.
Alright, you can't see me because of the light. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.
Goodbye.